perform the spark plug service on your Indian Roadmaster Powerplus, follow these steps. This procedure is applicable to Indian Challenger, Pursuit, and Chieftain Powerplus. Park the motorcycle on a flat, level surface and ensure the engine has cooled to room temperature. Then, turn the power switch off. Next, pull upward on the spark plug boots, not the wires, to remove the boots. To prevent debris from entering the spark plug holes, use compressed air to clean the area around the plugs before removing them. Continue by reinstalling the spark plugs or install new plugs. Finally, reinstall the spark plug boots. The spark plug boot is fully seated when the third rib on the boot is level with the spark plug hole as shown. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.